In question 20, we've got a large triangle ADE. We're given some facts and we need to prove that the blue triangle is congruent to the red triangle. Let's put on the facts that we know. We know that AE is the same length as DE. So that sorts out a pair of the sides. Given the fact that these two sides are equal, it means that the two angles here and here are also equal. And yet again, they're angles in the triangles we're interested in, and they're equal. And that's because triangle ADE is an isosceles triangle. So we've got a pair of angles which are equal. All we've got to do now is prove the sides are equal. Well, that comes from the ratio here. That ratio means that this length here, that AB, is equal to CD. And they share a common BC. So it means that AC must equal BD. So writing that down, AB equals CD. And that's because, and therefore, because they share this common ratio, I can say that AC is equal to BD. So our three results, this is a side relationship, this is an angle relationship, and this is a side relationship. So ACE is congruent to DBE, as we have an SAS relationship between the sides and the angles of those two triangles. And there you are.